Well, outside of Westminster, there is, of course, another huge headache for the Prime Minister. The biggest day yet of coordinated public sector strikes in a bitter winter of walkouts. It is ending tonight with no solution even close. There is no sign of the government giving any ground. So in towns and cities across the country, teachers, train drivers, university staff and civil servants left their posts in pursuit of better pay and conditions.
Dawn in Dover, and a picket line the welcome to strike-hit Britain. Border Force staff joining teachers here in Wales and across England too, leaving the classroom to protest. In silent stations, commuters from north to south facing the same story of cancelled trains and empty tracks.
What do we want? 10%! When do we want it? Now!
With 500,000 public sector workers not at work today, even civil servants left government buildings to join the action for better pay.
40,000 civil servants use food banks. 45,000 claim benefits. The people who administer benefits have to claim them because they are so poor. The government knows this.
The last general strike was as far back as 1926. This not on that scale, but still the biggest day of coordinated action in over a decade. In London, a stream of strikers from across different sectors took their message direct to Westminster.
I'm not even here about my own pay, it's the fact that our students are detrimentally affected.
We're out here to make sure people get a better place so they can afford to live and not go to food banks.
Do you think people have the stomach to carry on striking? Can afford to carry on striking?
I hope so. I do. People are fed up enough, yeah. I think we're only just getting started.
If Rishi Sunak could hear their voices as he left Number 10, he doesn't appear to be budging.
Is the Prime Minister going to get a grip and negotiate with working people, or does he intend being remembered as the PM who silenced and sacked hard-working nurses, paramedics, teachers, rail workers and firefighters in a cost-of-living crisis?
We've actually given teachers the highest pay rise in 30 years. It includes a 9% pay rise for newly qualified teachers and record investment in their training and development.
Nurses, ambulance workers, bus drivers, barristers, border force, rail and postal workers have all gone on strike in the past 8 months. Today, teachers, lecturers and civil servants became the latest sectors to join the picket line. Still to come, firefighters have voted to take action and junior doctors are being balloted.
I think I know whose side the British public is on, and that's why the government does need to take some responsibility. It needs to listen to their own workforce, they need to listen to the British public, and they need to deliver a fair outcome on pay for public sector workers.
It is a battle for public opinion, with the government not moving and unions promising to dig in. It's also a war of attrition. Romilly Weeks, News at 10.